In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use digital marketing for passive income, 3 steps. And I'm also going to share with you the program that I use personally to earn $900 or more in a day. So let's just get into it, right? So here are the 3 steps to earning passive income online with digital marketing. So check it out. Step number one, you want to promote a product that is in high demand for 100% profit, right? So high demand means that people want it, people like it, people use it, people will recommend it to other people. You have to promote like products that people actually like. It's a very important ingredient, okay? And you want to earn 100% profit, right? So I promote 4 different digital products inside of the e-learning industry. And I can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again promoting these digital products. And the best part is I didn't even have to create these products. Okay. So inside of this program, you get to use these, you get to learn from these products and you get to resell them. You get the resell rights so you can resell them and earn 100% profit paid directly to you. Okay. So that's step number one. Step number two, you want to automate your business. So we give you a pre-built automated business. All you got to do is put in your info, plug in your info. You can set it up in less than a day because I did that myself. And you don't need to be tech savvy at all. So what's going to happen? People are going to go to your website. Like my website is wealthwithdan.com. So people will go to your website. They're going to click on your website, then they're going to go to your landing page. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like in a second. So they're going to go to the landing page, they're going to put their email in, and then they're going to go to the next step. They're going to watch a video. Okay. And if they love the video, if they love what they see, they're going to go here to the website and they're going to make a purchase. And anytime that they make a purchase, you get paid instantly through your website. Okay. And if they're not ready to buy, what's going to happen is they're going to get emails sent out to them on a daily basis. We give you 13 pre-made emails, and we also teach you how to create more emails as well. So we're going to teach you email marketing, which is definitely something you want to learn because it's a very high income skill, okay? Like imagine how often, think about it. How often do you check your email every day, right? Probably a lot. I check my email probably, I don't know, at least 5 times or more a day. That's why you want to do email marketing because people are going to be checking their emails and they'll get an email. So these emails are going to be going out. Why do we send out emails? Because the fortune's in the follow-up. People usually don't purchase until they've been exposed to something like 7 or 10 times. So they're going to keep getting emails from you. And then one day they're just going to be like, okay, I'm ready to buy. And then they'll go to your website and they'll make a purchase. Okay. So that's step two, automate your business. And this automated system is doing like 90% of the work for you. Okay. It's doing all the selling, telling, it's following up with people for you, and it's closing sales for you. So step number three, you need a way for people to discover your business, right? People need to discover your website. The whole point of this is just to drive traffic to your website, to send people to your website. So once they click on your website, they go to your landing page, they put their email in, and once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time, right? Does that make sense? If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments, okay? So step number three, you need people to discover your business. So we have a 2-hour workday. We teach you how to get your income earning activities finished in just 2 hours a day, okay? So what does that mean? Every day you create 3 pieces of content. I'll show you a little bit about this. I'll show you my social media and kind of like and how I create content, okay? So 3 pieces of content a day, right? Which will take you about 30 minutes. All right. Why do we create the content? This is called attraction marketing. So you're creating content to attract people to you. And we teach you how to do this. Okay. So when you're creating content, basically you want a hook at the beginning of your content because the first 5 seconds of your video is the most important part because people are scrolling online. Okay. There's like 5.8 billion people scrolling all the time. So you need to stop the scroll. So we teach you how to stop the scroll, and we teach you how to add some value in the content, and we teach you how to do a CTA, which means a call to action. So at the end of all of your videos or your content, you have a CTA, which tells people what to do next, right? Like at the end of my videos, I usually say something like this. If you'd like to learn more about this blueprint, comment ready. I would love to share it with you. Then they comment ready, and I send them to my website. And then again, they go here to my landing page, they put in their email, they're part of my automations, they can buy from me at any time. Or I might just say, hey, just go, if you want more information, just go to my website, wealthwithdan.com. That's a CTA, okay? So we're going to teach you how to do that. 30 minutes a day, create 3 pieces of content. Then you can also go live for like 30 minutes, let's say. Going live And we teach you how to do this too, because if you go live, what's going to happen, you're going to be growing your following, you're going to be building your brand, you're going to be connecting with people, and it's really good. And you can also get instant sales. Okay, this has happened to me many times where I'm on live and I connect with people and I get a sale. Okay, connection equals currency, right? If you connect with people, you're going to make money, right? So going on live helps you connect with people. Going live helps you connect with people. All right. And we also teach you the free ads method where you can post free ads on these high traffic websites. So these websites are kind of like Craigslist. People go to these websites because they're looking for something. They're looking for ways to make money online. They're looking to buy something or whatever. So we're going to teach you how to copy, paste, and post free ads, which you can do for about 30 minutes a day. For about 30 minutes, you just post as many ads as you can. And what's going to happen, people are going to find your ad. They're going to go to your website. They're going to click on your website. They're going to go to your landing page, right? They're going to put their email in, and at any time they can buy from you. So this is the process. And now I'm going to show you what the automated business looks like, okay? So check this out. One second here. One second. Let me just get the automated business set up. Yeah, here it is. Let's go. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted to go to, but here it is. Here it is, guys. So check it out. This is the first page of the automated system, right? It looks like this. Now, this is the landing page or the capture page, you can call it, right? So this is where people go first. After they click on your website, they're going to go to this page. This is the landing page. They're going to put their email in, right? They're going to put their email in there. And then after that, so you're going to get to use the same pre-built system. It's going to look something like this. Of course, you're not going to use my picture. We give you other pictures, and you can also use your own picture as well. But my millionaire mentor and friend Michelle, she said you should always put a picture of some like a person. So that's why we're getting so the background picture will be some kind of person. Either it's you or one of the other pictures that we give you. Okay. So discover the secret to earning $900 daily pay, working 2 hours a day around your schedule. So they're going to put their email in, and then next they're going to go here and they're going to watch this video, right? This is the thank you page. This is part of the automated system, right? So these pages are out there working for you 24/7 so you can make money while you're sleeping, okay? So this is the thank you page. People are going to watch the video from my friend Michelle. And if they love the video, then they'll go to your website and they're going to purchase one of the products from you, right? And then also we send out this. This is another page that we send out inside of the email. So people are going to read that are going to get this video too. A daily pay online business that works for you 24/7, right? And it's going to give more information about the product and the program and how it all works. Okay. And if they love the video and they're ready to buy, then they'll go here to the website. Okay. These pages are very high converting. Basically, whenever somebody goes to these pages, 1 out of 20 people are buying. Okay. So here's the website. And we've done about 17 million in sales with this website and this system. So it's effective. It works. So it's going to look something like this. Easy step-by-step blueprint, the all-in-one stop for passive income. Learn the 900 daily pay blueprint, right? So the website will look like this, and it'll show you how it works. Follow the simple 3-step system to start making 100% profits. Step 1, get started. Step 2, learn how to launch a daily pay business. Step 3, start earning passive income online. Okay. It's a pretty simple process, my friends. And you can see I have my pictures here. I got my bio because you're building your brand. So you're going to change these pictures, obviously, and put your pictures in, and then you're ready to go. So this website, a step-by-step program to learn how to make $900 passive daily pay by following a 2-hour workday. And it looks like this. You get some of these testimonials, right? This is what it looks like, and it shows you, and this is what we promote, okay? We promote digital products inside of the e-learning industry. So you can learn from these products and you can resell them because you have the resale rights. You can resell them for 100% profit, okay? And it shows you what's inside of each of the products. You can check that out when you go to my website. If you want to learn about this, you can go. So you get to use the same exact website, right? Which is pretty awesome. And then people have a choice. They can purchase the 900, the 600, the 300, or the 100. And there's also payment plans available. So it's very affordable for people. And you just want to drive traffic to your website. That's it. To your automated system. And your automated system is going to be doing the work for you. Okay. And then, so let me show you next. How do we how do we, what kind of content do we create, right? Let me show you my TikTok real quick. So here's one of my profiles here. So like every day, guys, you can just post like three videos on TikTok, right? TikTok's very good because you don't need to have a following. You can start a brand new TikTok account and then grow your following and train the algorithms to find your perfect customer for you. So here it's going to look like, so here are some videos, guys. You can see I just do like talking videos. I just talk to my phone. And like I said, you start off with a hook. Like here's one of my hooks, 3 steps to daily pay. I did this video today. Okay. I just went outside my house, 3 steps to daily pay today. Like, so my hook, guys, is it's going to be like this. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 steps to make daily pay online. That's an example of a hook. Okay. And then I'm going to offer the value. I'm going to tell them the 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? The 3 steps are to promote a product that's in high demand, to automate your business, right? And then to work and then follow the 2-hour workday. That's the 3 steps. And at the end of my video, I have a CTA. If you'd like to know more, comment ready. I would love to share it with you. So they're going to comment ready, and then boom, I will send them. I'll say, please visit my website, wealthwithdan.com. Easy as that. Let's go to my Facebook now. Let's see. Same thing. It's the same deal. Like every platform is a little different the way you promote on it, right? You want to make sure, like if you have a Facebook, you want to make sure you have a nice little background, nice little cover. You want to make it like you want to make a nice presentation, okay? Have a nice background, have a nice picture of your face, smiling. Get your intro filled in, right? My intro, helping you earn extra income online, free daily pay blueprint, okay? And then with Facebook, it's tend to be they use more written content. You can do videos on Facebook, of course, that works, but Facebook really likes the copywriting. Copywriting works very well on Facebook too, right? And also on Facebook, you can sometimes like when it comes to content creation, you want to add some value. You can have some value posts where you're just offering people value, educational tips, motivational quotes, and then like every 3 posts could be something like that, like motivational tip, like tips, quotes, and then you do your offer. Like maybe you create 3 videos that have nothing to do with business, and then your fourth video or your fourth post could be something about your business, right? So yeah, I just posted this one. I posted this video today, guys. And so you don't even have to talk in your videos either. You don't even have to talk. You can just put words on the screen. You can even do faceless content if you want. Okay. So yeah, like that. So we teach you how to market on all social media platforms, right? So if you're new to digital marketing, don't worry about it because this is super step by step. And if you're new, there might be a little bit of a learning curve to understand how to create content, maybe a week, 2 weeks, but then you'll understand, you'll get it, and then it'll become second nature to you. Okay. So that's that. And then let's see. Then let me show you also, when you join this program, you get access to our community. Okay. We have a digital wealth community, right? Or digital growth community, sorry, excuse me. So inside of our community, which is awesome. So when you join as a bonus, you get free access to our digital growth community. Oh, we have mentoring right now. That's cool. I'm going to check that out. After I do this video, guys, I'm going to jump on because we have live interactive mentoring 2 to 3 times a week from 6 and 7-figure income earners. And we also have daily trainings, like today's training, ready to connect with your perfect customer through videos. That's going to be the training. Daily mentoring from a millionaire, okay? And then, look, we also have the classroom here. Right now we're doing a 90-day holiday profit push. We're teaching you how to make $20,000 or more before Christmas, before the holidays, okay? So if you go inside of the holiday profit push, it's going to look like this, right? So we're on day 10 right now. So every day there's a video. Like I said, every day we have a video from our millionaire mentor with an action step, which is pretty awesome, okay? So it's going to be inspiring, motivational, plus there are going to be action steps that are going to help you get better at this digital marketing so you can make more money faster. That's the idea, right? We want to make as much money as we can, as fast as we can, so we can live that life of freedom. That's what it's all about. And that's it, guys. This is how the process works, okay? So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. If you want to know more, just go to the link in my description, right? wealthwithdan.com. I think I pretty much gave you the basic gist. I don't want to like spend too much time on it because it's really simple. It's a 3-step process. So there's no need to spend a ton of time talking about it. Stop the share. Yes. So that's it. 3-step process to daily pay. Okay. Let's just review real quick. Three-step process. If you want to make daily pay $900 or more, like $900 a day, that's $27,000 a month. That's $328,000 a year. In 3 years, you could be a millionaire. And all you have to do is set up your automated business one time. Just get it set up one time, and it's always working for you. And then how do you make all the money? By following the 2-hour workday. You create 3 pieces of content a day, go live, post free ads. Okay. And you just keep on doing this until you hit your income goal. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Have a great one.